Hello YouTube, ChargeTech back with another video, and today's video is related with clipboard errors on Windows 11. So if your clipboard is showing you an error, some of the settings are managed by your organization on your Windows 11, then we have a solution for you. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So here we are on the system clipboard, but if it's not functioning well, then click on your search bar here. So after you click the search bar, you will get here and type CMD. So you will get the CMD on your computer, then right click on the CMD, then select run as administrator. Don't forget, you should have to open it the CMD as run as administrator. So here it's opened, and here I have some codes on a notepad. So I'm going to put the link on the description box. So you will get all these codes. So follow me and copy paste all the codes on the CMD that you have. So select the first code, which is, let me make it more maximized. Select the first code and copy it. Copy, then paste it on the CMD and press enter. So the operation completed successfully. But if you do not get errors, or if it shows you some errors, forget about it and continue to the next code, even if you get errors. So let me copy the second one, paste, and press enter. As you can see, it says error, but I'm going to proceed to the next one. Then press enter. Press enter again. We are in policies, right? Where we are, yes, policies. Then we are on this one. Then copy and then paste. Then press enter. And copy, select, then paste. Here we are. Okay, copy this one again, then paste. I think we are on self-host, this one. Then next one would be this one. Copy, then paste. Copy this one and then paste it again, and then copy this one and then paste it, press enter, and the final one will be this one. So we are going to copy this and press enter. So we completed this operation. So then after close here the CMD, then go here and right click on it and restart your computer. So after you finish all the codes copy pasting on the CMD, then finally go to here and restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether your clipboard error is solved or not. So this is all about today's video, and if it is helpful, please give me like. If you are new, subscribe, and you can comment me on the comment section. Thank you for watching. ChargeTech out.